Assalamu alaikum students and welcome back. It's our fourth day, our assignment number 5, and today we are going to discuss the city transport, which is on page number 37 of your textbook. So please open your textbooks on page number 37. Okay, before starting our lecture, let us discuss the objectives. Students will be able to read about different city transports. Okay, here you will learn about different means of transport which are used in the cities, and at the end of the lesson you will be able to express your experience about different city transport. You will be able to express your experience about different means of transport which you have experienced. Okay, here in this slide you can see two mode of conveyance, that is tram and ferry. Tram is a kind of a double cabin bus in which you can sit on the upper part of the bus also. And second one is ferry. It is used to move between the cities or into the city in the water, right? This is a kind of a boat, right? And more description you can see on page number 37. If you want to get more information, then concern page number 37. You can find all these means of transport over there. Next is monorail, rickshaw, and tube or underground, right? They all are mentioned on page number 37. You can go there and you can see. First one is monorail, and monorail is not very long, but it is the best way to visit the city's shopping and entertainment areas, right? Next one is rickshaw. It is mostly used in Pakistan, and it is the popular and you can say the cheapest way of getting around. And the third one is the tube or underground, and it goes under the city, and it is a convenient way to visit all the main tourist site. And if you are a tourist in the London, you can take tube or underground and you can visit all the beautiful places across the London. Main words which are used here in this lesson are tram, subway, ferry, monorail, rickshaw, train, bus, and aeroplane. These all are the means of transport which are mentioned over here. And if some words are absent, then they are very easy. You all are very familiar with all these words. Okay, next is how many forms of transport you have used. Right, you have to tell that which kind of transport you have used: car, bus, rail, bike, cycle, train, ship, whatever. And then you have to complete exercise number 2. It's on page number 34. Second question: read the fact file and complete the sentences with the word in the bold in the fact file. You have to complete the sentences with the words which are in bold. Bold means the words which are highlighted on page number 37. You have to fill in the blanks by using the words on page number 37. This was the end of the chapter. Hope you have understood it, and if there is any query, any question, or any confusion, do ask me. Right? Thank you.